Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I draw my thumbnails on an iPad. So what I'm using is an iPad Pro and an Apple Pencil 2. So I start by airdropping the pictures that I took on my iPhone to my iPad, and then I select the picture that I want to be my YouTube thumbnail. So let's quickly pick and choose. I think that yeah, this picture looks better. I am going to first try and flip it to see if it looks any good. I think it looks better originally. Then I'm going to try and apply some filters and edit the picture, and let's see, adjusting the brightness. Let's not touch that. I think that this looks decent enough. Now I'm going to go through Procreate, and over there I am going to click on the plus sign and choose the canvas size. For YouTube I'm going to choose 1920 by 1080. So this is what a typical YouTube thumbnail size is, and then I'm going to click on add and insert a photo. So this is the picture that we edited. So as you can see, it fits perfectly. Then I'm going to go here and create a layer. Now I particularly follow kind of a theme for my YouTube, so I am going to go to the painting tab, and I'm going to take the wet acrylic brush. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to click here and import uh, another picture, just to get like the color that I use for my thumbnail. So this is the color, and I'm going to go on to this layer and select the brush and just tap on it and take the right color. So this is the color that we are looking for. I'm going to hide this layer, and on layer number 2 I'm going to create a jiggly pattern that I always do. Oops, let's select the brush size. Yeah, I think this looks fine. Then I'm going to click and choose the eraser option, reduce the size, and I'm going to erase the portion that's coming on me. Let's do that. To delete this layer, yeah, so this is how it looks. Over here I am going to have to, like, I want to make sure that the tree looks proper and in the frame. So I'm going to try and experiment a few things. I think this looks decent enough. We can erase some bit over here as well. Okay, I think it looks nice. Then I'm going to go on and create a new layer, select black color, and go over here on the canvas, activate drawing guide, and in the brush section I'm going to go to calligraphy and choose monoline. Now I am going to write a title, but I don't have a lot of space. Let's see what we can do. I'm thinking of writing all about crystals. Let's see if that looks good. I usually go all freehand over here. think I might wanna change the way all looks. And we can probably look at a pink color. Then I'm going to create one more layer, which is over here. Use the same brush monoline with a decreased size, and I'm going to give myself a nice border. And just like that, the final thumbnail is ready. All I'm going to do is click on the export tab and save it as a PNG on my iPad, and there I have it in my gallery. So here's what the final thumbnail looks like. Let me know what you think of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video. Bye.